Hi team, so in this video, let's have a demonstration on custom directive, okay? So creating our own directive. I've just taken an empty project, okay? It is just a empty simple project. We have nothing here. And okay, and okay, so this is the output, basic output. Now what I'll do, let me delete everything from the app component.html file. We don't want any of this, right? Let's save it. And okay, so it's an empty page. And now let me add a heading tag. Let's say welcome to RNT-BCI. Okay, so let's save it. We got the heading, right? Now, actually, I want to have a background color for this heading. That's my requirement. And we can achieve that using CSS by writing our own customized code, right? Instead, the instruction is we have to use it through directive. Through directive means what, sir? See, I must have something here, something like this. Say ng if equals, if it is true, then it is a directive, right? Okay, so it is visible, and if I set it as false, and you can see that the heading is hidden. Now this is what we call directive. Okay, you can add something like an attribute in elements, and we can use it with any element. Now the same way we want to create our own directive. Say for example, I just wanted a directive something like this, red bg. Wherever I use, it might be a button, it might be a table, it might be a row, it might be a text box. Wherever I use this directive, I just wanted that element to be applied with the red color background. Okay, so that is our requirement. Now let's go and create the directive. It's super easy, and let's open up the command prompt. Okay, and to create a directive, anyhow, like I'm just using the app.component.html file itself. I'm not creating a new component. If you want, you can additionally create a new component, and here I just want to demonstrate what is directive. So additionally, I'm not creating any other component. I'm just using the root component for the demonstration. Right. Now, to generate a directive, hope you can guess ng generate directive and the directive name. Okay, let's keep the directive name red bg. Okay. Okay. When we attempt to create it, actually in the root module, like it will get created. Okay, two files will get generated. See here, redbg.directive.spec.ts. We know that this is a testing file, and this is actually the directive file. We don't need this file, and you don't do anything with this file, so you can simply ignore it. And now let's open the directive file. And this is our directive. Okay. Now we are just two steps ahead. Number one, if you want to make any changes in the existing element, okay, existing HTML elements, then first you may require to get that element here. Okay. And to do that, let's create a variable of type element reference. So private any name, I just prefer element. It's of type element reference. Okay, here it is. Good. And in the constructor, I have added it in the directive, right? And next, with the help of this variable, with the help of this element reference object, so this dot element dot, it has only one property, native element, that helps us to get the HTML element. Okay, so wherever you apply this directive, this is the selector, wherever you apply this directive, that element's style dot background color needs to be red. That's it. Done. Superb. So we created one directive, and now what actually we are going to do is we are just going to apply it here. And the name is app red bg, right? Because that is the name of our selector. So let's just apply it. And let's come back to the output. Wow, we got it with red color background. That's it. That's it about creating a custom directive, our own directive. Okay, let's just try that with a button. Okay, so button. mm, and I just wanted, okay, I don't like app red BG. I just wanted it to be something like this red, and let this be in uppercase BG. Now, what we have to do, let's go back and let's change this selector type red BG. So it is super easy, right? Why should we have this app prefix for every directive? So we'll customize it. Okay, we change the selector. So red BG. We need to have a space. Okay, and this is like sign up. Okay, let's save it and let's have a look at it. Yes, we got a button with the red color background. So in any element, you can apply this customized directive. Okay, so this is what custom directive, and here you can define any logic, whatever you wanted, that will be applied to the elements wherever we have this directive added. Okay, as an attribute. Okay, right. Okay, thank you for watching this video.